Okay, in this mess I have Makita HR2470 corded rotary hammer drill, and I will change all that parts for this tool. Okay, it will be all this part. Okay, first of all I will check. Okay, I need to change the wash bearing. To do that, I need to take out this magnet. I will do that on the press. Okay, I will take it on the press. Okay, the magnet is out. Okay, ball bearing, remove it with my fingers because I'm very strong, of course. Okay, going to recycle bin, the holding plate. Okay, it's a washer here. And okay, now it's time to remove the gear. It will be the same on a press. If you don't have press, you can heat it with a fire or something, and it will take off easily, but usually I'm removing gears like this one on a press. Okay, I need something to arrange my hydraulic press. I will use something to press it. For example, the bit. Okay. And it's out. Okay, the wash bearing. And of course the new one, the shining one. Okay, why I'm changing this wash bearing? Because the old bearing, when you hold this, it's all wobbling, and it have wear signs here. The new wash bearing almost not moving, and it's nice, shiny and round. Okay. Okay, now of course I need to press the gear. So I will arrange my press again. Okay. Okay, gear is in its place. Okay, what's next? Okay, next is a washer, holding plate, ball bearing. Okay. Okay, the easy way to put ball bearing on this side. Of course, it's don't need a lot of power. And be careful of the washer. It must be in holding plates inside the hole. Now it's not, so I will just fix that. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Okay, magnet. Normally for the magnet I'm using the armature. Just place that magnet on the assy, looking to be straight, and okay. Of course you can use hydraulic press if you want. Okay, it's spinning. One part is changing. Of course the hammer will be new one. Okay, my glove. Okay, now the hammer. Normally all parts are like that. And the O-ring inside. Just removing it with a screwdriver. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like that. We need to change the hammer, O-ring, and the seal. Okay, we will insert O-ring into housing, then sealing, then this one, and this one, okay, and this one. Okay, so we have assembled the hammer. Okay, okay. Okay, now I will insert it into the tool holder, cylinder, or whatever you call it. Okay, I just push it down with my finger. Okay, I will change this ring too. I don't know why, but sometimes it's getting broken or worn out and stuck on a cylinder, so I'm just changing it. Okay, now pushing down the whole ring. It's a groove for the ring inside tool holder. Okay, for that ring, it's a easy way to insert it. Just take the cylinder of the tool holder, aluminum cylinder, and insert it, and you can press it with a hydraulic press or you can hit it with a hammer. Of course I will hit it with a hammer because I liked. Okay. Okay. The one hit and the ring is in its place. Of course, be careful to know they made this cylinder because it's made from aluminum and it's soft. Okay. Now the gear. I will change the spring because sometimes spring lose its tension. So I will replace it. Okay. Flat washer. Not very flat. Okay, and the holding ring. Okay. Another easy way to put this ring on, it's do it with plates like this. Or of course you can get another flat washer like this one and press it down. So it's really not hard to place it in its place. Okay. Okay, a little more space. Okay. As you can see now, the ring is in a groove on the cylinder. Okay, I will insert the hammer into this cylinder. Of course, lubricate it with a grease. maybe too much grease. You can put some grease here inside and just put it down. Okay. Okay, now we will try to assemble the hammer mechanism. Yep, okay. I will just clean it. I will clean the screws. Okay, you need to get this one to this hole. Yep, I got it. Okay, it's a 2 screws holding swatch bearing plate. According to the service manual, if I could remember, you need to use Loctite for this one. From my experience, if you will not use Loctite, but tie it well, it will be good still, but I will use Loctite. Okay. Of course, prepare your bit. Not tightening it to do it till the end now, because it will be easier to screw in second screw. Okay. I'm checking it with L-key. Okay. Okay, now, of course, I'm lubricating with grease all the shaft. Okay. Okay, we have some other parts. Okay, I will try to do that in this way. Okay, now we need to put this and this like that. It will be like that. Okay, parts in all places. Okay, now it's time for the springs. Okay, one spring goes here. Okay. Now I'm searching for the flat washer. It must be a small flat washer. Really small one. Okay. I found it on the floor. Okay, so you need to put flat washer on the IC and then mount the ring. I will prepare wires for that. I hate this part of this tool, but what can I do more? Of course, be careful because the spring is on, so the flat washer can pop to your eye or something. Okay, so wear safety glasses if you have them. Okay, the gear is on. Okay, if you don't have pliers for this ring, yep, you can use simple screwdriver by inserting it like this. Okay, and it's good. Okay, of course I will put a little bit grease here. Okay, and now it's here. Okay, we have hammer mechanism. Of course I will take some more grease for it and grease it. For how much grease? It's about 60 grams, I think. But in a new tool it's about 30 grams or something, 40. So I don't think that it needs a lot of grease. Okay, now the housing. Okay, it's good. Okay, now this little switch that often customers and other technicians are asking how to insert it correctly. So you just inserting it, spinning counterclockwise, and press it down, and it's working. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now the armature. You can check if it's working. Here you see that it's spinning. Okay. Okay, the field. Don't forget screws for the field. Okay. Okay, second screw. Okay, now dust protection. Okay, it's a wave washer, sorry. It must be here, the armature bearing. So you need to insert it to the housing, the motor housing. Okay. Okay, it's good. Okay. Okay, now we can add some carbon brushes. First of all, I will fix the spring here. Now the spring is not messing with me around when I'm inserting the carbon brushes. Okay. Carbon brush is inserted and we can lose the spring. Okay, now we need to connect carbon brush to the carbon brush unit. Okay, second carbon brush is easier to insert. Then you remove the switch from housing. Of course, blocking out the spring. Then you can see the carbon brush holder inside. So you just only need insert the carbon brush. Okay, the spring is back again. Okay, I will check the carbon brush wire. Just get it here. Okay, the one wire is loose. Okay, and it's going into the carbon brush holder unit. Okay. Okay, so it's up and working. The switch it's in its place. I will put this wire into place. Okay, this one in place. Quarter more. Okay, and now back over. Okay, so checking if it's moving. Okay, the switch working. Okay, now I'm changing this plate. Okay. spring. Okay. It will not work without spring. Okay, now we need to set spring. We have a whole full ball bearing here, so we need to put blade here for the ball. Here, then this flat washer, this housing, the ring. Normally you can put this ring on with your screwdriver. Okay, it was very easy. Okay, and now the cap. Of course, check if it's holding the building. The holding. Okay, it's relating it. So just clean there. Okay. Okay. So now we'll try to turn on it. Make sure if it's working or not. Okay, it's back. It's working. Of course, check the core. Okay, it's good.